What if you invested $1,000 in Shiba Inu coin today? Dogecoin doesn't appear to be the last meme cryptocurrency. Shiba Inu coin is based on Ethereum and is the fastest growing cryptocurrency in the top 100 by market capitalization. Shiba Inu coin, positioned as a Dogecoin alternative, has returned 1,970.57% in the last 7 days. Will it overtake Doge? And how much do you think you would have if you invested about $1,000? Hello Shiba lovers, welcome to our channel. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for us and let us know in the comments how much you believe Shiba will certainly cost next week. Let's get to it. The content in this video is for entertainment purpose only and hence must not be considered as financial advice. You should make all the financial decisions after doing your own research. According to FX Street, when the cryptocurrency market recovers from the recent crisis, the rate of the Ethereum-based meme coin might increase in the future. Despite over 2 weeks of stabilization, SHIB has overcome indecision, working in favor of the bulls after rising over 55% in market value from its low, according to FX Street. Those who missed the Dogecoin frenzy are seeking the next fantastic thing. Shiba Inu appears to have timed its market entry exactly to capitalize on this trend since the network has seen rapid growth considering that its start. At the time of writing, Shiba Inu had a market capitalization of $13.2 billion. In the last 30 days, the platform's worth had been boosted by 39,357%. Since its introduction late last year, the network has grown by an incredible 2 million plus %. Much of this growth could be ascribed to the token's unprecedented rate of listing on key exchanges. Traders of Shiba Inu have access to several significant exchanges. Each brand new exchange listing has helped SHIB's rate increase even higher. The price of SHIB, for example, doubled once it was launched on Binance. The fact that Binance's CEO Changpeng Zhao tweeted that the exchange ran out of ETH deposit address due to SHIB today is a lot more impressive. He took place to say that this was the very first time the exchange had ever gone wrong. Shiba Inu aims to enhance consumers' earning capacity. The project's primary target was developing an ERC20 token and ecosystem that were cost-effective enough for anyone to acquire millions of them. They purposefully priced the project's token considerably below a cent. The plan is to make the platform profitable even if it only makes $0.01. So far, the developers have been successful in this regard. Aside from the profit potential, Shiba Inu is all about having a good time. Meme tokens are intended to assist people in becoming more knowledgeable about blockchain technology. When people see the wonderful Shiba Inu, it makes them feel much less worried about their transition to a decentralized economy. Shiba Inu is a cryptocurrency based on Ethereum. It takes advantage of the Ethereum ecosystem's total security and support as an ERC20 token. Ethereum is now the world's largest decentralized DApp and token system. The platform architecture supports over 200,000 tokens and thousands of networks. The Shiba Inu ecosystem's primary utility token is SHIB. This token can be utilized for a range of things including paying fees and getting incentives. It can also be made use of as a form of cryptocurrency. SHIB permits the user to interact value globally in seconds. Because it uses Ethereum's blockchain, it's secure and trustworthy. SHIB started with an overall of 100 billion tokens. SHIBSwap is a decentralized cryptocurrency exchange (DEX). This non-custodial platform will allow network participants to trade their tokens direct from their wallets with other ERC20 compatible tokens. As they don't keep big quantities of Bitcoin to tempt hackers, non-custodial exchanges are often much more safe and secure than centralized exchanges. The Artist Incubator is one more unique feature of Shiba Inu initiative. The network encourages the development of unique NFTs to help spread the project's meme environment and buzz. Artists from all around the world are invited to submit their work for consideration in the NFT market. One of the most enjoyable aspects concerning Shiba Inu has nothing to do with blockchain. The developers have built up the network to integrate Amazon Smile. Users can contribute to help save the lives of genuine Shiba Inu thanks to this interconnection. Thousands of these dogs, according to developers, are searching for new homes. The project aspires to play a significant contribution in achieving this goal. In the market, the Shiba Inu coin has seen substantial growth. It exploded in popularity following Elon Musk's performance on Saturday Night Live, in which he slammed Dogecoin as a hustle. As a result of his comment, which caused the value of Dogecoin to plummet by 30%, the Shiba Inu coin got from the decrease of its alternative, according to Fortune. Binance listed Shiba Inu currency on its trading platform 2 days following Musk's appearance, and the price skyrocketed. Fortune and also others have dubbed the token the Dogecoin killer. It was released less than a year back and named after the Japanese dog breed Shiba Inu. SHIB is a cryptocurrency that is an alternative to Dogecoin and trades under the symbol SHIB. According to CoinMarketCap.com, the Shiba Inu coin has risen to the 32nd most useful cryptocurrency by market capitalization. It received international prominence in current weeks after a crypto millionaire contributed $1 billion in Shiba Inu coin to fund India's COVID-19 relief effort. According to CNN Business, a New York family's $8,000 investment in Shiba Inu coin, a Dogecoin spin-off, resulted in a $9 million fortune in just a couple of months. A crypto millionaire contributed $1 billion in Shiba Inu coin to help India's COVID-19 disaster assistance. According to Coinbase, the value of the cryptocurrency has actually boosted by roughly 10,000% this year. It fell by approximately 34% after Ethereum developer Vitalik Buterin announced a gift from India. In February, the New York family, who requested that CNN Business not use their last name, began investing with a few $100s. According to the story, they continued to invest in the coin until they had roughly $8,000 invested. CNN Business claimed on Thursday that the family's investment was worth practically $9 million after reviewing the family members' crypto records. The brothers, who reside in Westchester County and whose wedding company was nearly decimated by the COVID-19 breakout, experienced a drastic change in fortune. According to CoinMarketCap.com, the current rate of SHIB is $0.0000007695 with market size of roughly $13 billion. Though the Shiba Inu coin's future is uncertain, experts are hopeful about the token. According to the Daily Express, some experts believe the price of Shiba Inu coin may get to $1. However, it's unclear when that will certainly happen. If accelerating interest is verified, could draw an adjacent parallel channel to access the likely price target for SHIB, FX Street stated. While numerous may dismiss the memification of money as a fact, Lucy Jajmaradian, founder and managing partner of Token Bay Capital, told Insider that the underlying dynamic at work are genuinely quite revolutionary. We are seeing groups of anonymous individuals experiment with the democratization of money itself today with the advent of cryptocurrencies, and the Shiba token symbolizes this new trend, Jajmaradians included. As long as members in an expanding ecosystem are linked by a shared purpose and vision and are incentivized to keep building out the network will certainly become progressively beneficial, as well as this will be reflected in the rate of Shiba token, she continued. Some people are more cautious than others. Extreme caution should be exercised before investing in untested cryptocurrencies, Devore Group CEO Nigel Green told the Daily Express. There are significant distinctions between Bitcoin, which is based on advanced technology and also has a finite supply, giving it scarcity value similar to gold, among other useful features, and unknown digital tokens that appears to have no inherent value, he continued. Under a critical supply zone, the Shiba Inu price is trading in a strict range. A breakout of the volatility nil phase would certainly indicate big price movement for SHIB. The cost of SHIB is currently seeing little fluctuation, with the cost floating at $0.00000700 for the past day. For the past 5 days, Shiba Inu has not traded above $0.00000100. The Bollinger Bands indicator, which closely pinpoints the SHIB cost action, confirms this lack of volatility. Shiba Inu is currently trading in a $0.00000947 to $0.00000693 no trade zone. A breakthrough on any of the borders suggests a rise in volatility and also the opportunity of a violent move. SHIB price might surge 20% to $0.000017, the top boundary of the supply zone, assuming a strong 6-hour candlestick close over $0.000097. Shiba Inu is projected to increase one more 20% to test the resistance level of $0.000014 if the purchasing push continues. If the dog-themed cryptocurrency, on the other hand, closes convincingly below $0.00000693, it will mark the start of a downtrend. After the SHIB cost has actually sliced through the support level at $0.00000654, this will be confirmed. In such an event, the Shiba Inu price might fall 36% to $0.00000420, the support level. Investors need to keep in mind that any kind of scenario is possible, as well as an instant confirmation will undoubtedly follow the SHIB price breaks through the Bollinger Bands. The Dogecoin, on the other hand, has no inherent bias till it fails to do so. The creators of the SHIB token did their homework. To supply greater market movement, the platform claims to blend several top features and important trends. Furthermore, the ultra-low rate of this token has aided them in seeing increased attention. Since the initiative is still in its early stages, it's essential that you only invest what you can afford to lose. That's all I want to show you in this video. Let me know in the comments below if you are a Shiba holder. If you get value out of this video, then don't forget to like it, share it with people. If you want to watch more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.